Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a golden ticket latte. I know some of y'all like, golden ticket? It's something I came up to. Now the reason why I called it that is because of Willy Wonka. It has a little bit more blueberries left over and I was like, I need to do something with that. And this container is the one I made, the blueberry cheesecake. And in that one, I put the blueberry, white sugar, and shortbread. If you do yours from scratch, a white chocolate, and then I got regular chocolate. I know some of y'all like, okay, where the gold part come at? Bam! As well as my golden ticket. Yes, y'all, this is the edible kind. Please don't come around with no gold reefs. That's not edible. we don't want to do that. Whole milk, but you can use any type of milk. 1 packet of instant. I usually use 2, but I'm gonna be using 1 because remember the coffee that I showed you that I made for the blueberry one? I feel like it wasn't strong enough, so I used that and made a little bit of ice cubes. So I'm gonna use half of those as well as half of the regular ice because I don't want it to be too strong. Here I got some more blueberry or preserves, but with this one to the shortbread, I got the white sugar, a bit of salt. Oh yeah, just some lemon. I squeezed some lemon. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, first I'm gonna line my cup each of the chocolate. Kind of coming out a little loose than I want it. Trying to spread it around. Regular chocolate. See how one side got more of the chocolate, the other side supposed to have more of the white chocolate, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take a little bit of gold edible glitter flakes. Now I know some people use tweezers. I don't know where mine's at. I'm gonna try to use my hand. Hopefully this works. I'm trying to get it stick on a little bit. Okay, I wanted to show too. I don't know, can y'all see? I think I'm gonna have to hold on. Trying to. This not really working. How I was envisioning it. But you can see a little bit. Get off my hand and get in the cups. That's what you need to grab hold on too. I don't know. It's still some gold stuff, so I'm gonna put this in the freezer, y'all. Oh yeah, I don't know how I forgot my whipped cream too. I'm not actually making a cold foam. I'm gonna actually use it as a whipped cream. I'm gonna take a little bit of my white chocolate salt. If you want to use the regular chocolate, but I want to use my white chocolate. Maybe I should shake it up first, so don't be so loose. No, it's still a little fluid. It's not as frozen on here as I would like it. However, I'm gonna put it back in the freezer, so it really don't matter. I'm gonna take my cup and turn it around, and then oh, the gold reef don't came out a little bit. Now I'm gonna put in my sanding sugar. Okay, don't look so bad. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer for a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna move my cup real quick. I already have my milk. I'm putting my 1 packet of instant coffee. The white chocolate that I had in here that I used around the rim, I'm gonna put the rest of it in here. But yeah, that's the only chocolate that's gonna go in there. I don't want no other chocolate. But if you want to add that chocolate to yours, go right ahead. So I look a little light skinned, but like I said, I'm gonna add some more of the other cubes, so it's okay. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna take the preserves, that I made. I'm gonna pour it in here, the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna put in my ice. It's gonna be mixed, black and white. Cause we ain't discriminate around here. Now we're gonna pour it in the coffee. Okay, now I'm putting the rest of my preserves. And I'm gonna use my whipped cream. Put some white chocolate sauce. Let's see if the blueberry sauce will come out a little bit. Okay, wait. Okay. All I need is just a little bit. You ever see somebody be hating and be trying to steal other people's shine? Trying to cover up other people's shine? Don't try to cover up. Real. Because you look good and you got a gift too. Don't try to take the other person's gift. Use the gift you got that God gave you. Trying to take other people's stuff. Off camera, I put some more additional gold ring. You can't tell me this ain't Willy Wonka inspired. Take a look and you'll see that we don't live in our imagination. Because we don't. God said cast. So he don't want us to live in our imagination. This is good. This is the best one, hands down. Iced coffee, lattes, even a refresher. The coffee is just sweet enough. It's not as sweet as I usually want. However, I don't mind because the combination of the cold foam and the, not grapes, the blueberries are sweet enough. So those two added together by the top and the bottom. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Even the little sugar. Oh my gosh, this is spot on. Oh yeah, the reason why I came up with this, like I said, I had blueberries, love doing them. Like, I gotta use something. So I'm like, what? Go good with a blueberry. And then I thought about Willy Wonka. So I said, okay then. You know, I thought about the Violet Beauregard, how you pronounce her name? It is a chocolate factory, so how about chocolate? All of a sudden, they're going to take me in the vehicle, but I won't steer you wrong. Make this. This is good. It is pretty. Gorgeous. The white chocolate was perfect. I thought about white chocolate at the last minute because I was going to do just chocolate, the regular chocolate and blueberries. I'm like, I don't want all that chocolate. I know we're not doing, I didn't have the Willy Wonka pancakes. I did that on my channel. I think IHOP had that. I'm going to rate it higher than 10. Yeah, I'm going to give it a higher than 10. It's 11. I'm just making a mess everywhere. It don't matter though. After it come right here, it's going around one place. I think mommy also add espresso ice in that one packet. It's good to buy that being the ice having it. Perfect.